Diana, I'm not going to say it the right way. We love her. Stand up, Diana. She's a fabulous Olympian pro athlete, and she's got a great show next weekend in Pearl Springs. Last on our list is a very important Patrick's Restaurant downtown. My dear friend Sully owns Patrick's, and he has agreed to give everyone in this ballroom a complimentary drink and provide delicious hot hors d'oeuvres. So you don't want to miss the after party. It's going to be a lot of fun. And all of that can be found on the back of your event program address. It's just less than a mile from here. Okay, everybody that Twitters, our handle is #ValentiGoldCup.
Hashtag.
We've got lots of people tweeting, so #ValentiGoldCup. Next, in no particular order, I want to thank the special people that made this possible. Dr. Schweitzer from Vital Med Spa was a big help to with a lot of behind-the-scenes work. Our Master of Ceremonies, Bob Ciccarello. He's like a superstar. You don't know it, but he's IMDb pro, movie star. He has a long list of things. I mean, he's like the Arnold Schwarzenegger guy. So. All right, well, anyway, that's Bob. Our head expediter is Al Smith, also known as Big Al. He's responsible for the beautiful stage and lighting, and he helps the athletes stay safe and have our expediting run smoothly. Also backstage we've got Rich Alvarez, Rusty Clover, Tracy Kelly, and Marshall Williams. Thank you so much for our volunteers for helping to make this happen. Ticket sales, we've got Victoria Geisen and Linda Biskup and Dee Fan. Our event photographer tonight is Desiree Dugan. If you want to order any photos, all that information can be found in the event program, our website. And we've got our security guy, Camille. Thank you, Camille, for coming. And last we've got the website guy, Nick Renata. He owns Cosmic Slug, and he's responsible for all the updates on the website. Oh, one other important person is Tasha Ciccarello. She is the lovely, gorgeous wife of Bob Ciccarello. She did all the Facebook updates and press releases, so thank you so much to Tasha Ciccarello. Without further ado, let's get the party started.
All right, thank you, Patricia.